Samsung's A series is getting two exciting new additions, the Galaxy F55 5G and Galaxy F35 5G. Let's dive into what we know so far. The Galaxy F55 5G, with its model number A5556E, is looking to be quite the standout. It's powered by the Exynos 1480 chip and Mali G68 GPU, has 8 GB of RAM, and will run on the latest Android 14. The exact One UI version is still a bit of a mystery, though. On the other hand, the Galaxy F35 5G is also making waves. Certified in Malaysia and carrying the model number SMA356E, its launch seems right around the corner. Rumors suggest it will feature an Exynos 1380 chip, a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with FHD+ resolution, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's said to come in 3 cool colors: ice blue, lilac, and navy blue. So, are you Team Galaxy F35 or F55? Share your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Catch you in the next video.